Next chapter, which is your fourth unit, plane sections of conicoid. We are already discussed about the conicoid, which is a conic section or a section by a parallel to the plane, which are the similar conics. Okay, here we are discuss the nature of the section of the central conicoid. See, this is your article and most of the question which are depends on this article. See, to determine the nature of the section of the central conicoid, ax square by square plus cz square equals to 1, and by the plane lx plus my plus nz equals to p. आपको नेचर डिटरमाइन करना है सेक्शन ऑफ द सेंट्रल कॉन्कॉइड, and here the equation of the conicoid is central conicoid is ax square plus by square plus cz square equals to 1, and the equation of the plane is lx the equation of the cylinder. Here you are taking a equation of a conic section which is of central conicoid ax square by square plus cz square equals to 1, and this is passes through by a plane. Okay, and by the plane lx plus my plus nz plus equals to p, and having it's a generator which is parallel to a z axis, and this one जो आपके पास z axis से अगर पैरेलल है, it means you may find the value of z from this equation and substitute from that's the equation. अगर वो उसको टच करता है या किसी कॉनिक सेक्शन को वो किसी भी प्लेन सेक्शन से कंसिडर करता है या कट करता है, टच करता है, it means if you take a which is a parallel to a z axis, that means you find out the value of z from a one section and substitute to another section, and here you have the equation of plane lx plus my plus nz equals to a p. That means you have lx nz equals to p minus lx minus my. It means you have z equals to p minus lx minus my over n, which is the value of z. And now substitute this value to the equation of a conic section, which is ax square plus by square plus c z square, and the value of z is l minus lx plus my over n whole square equals to 1. Now simplify it. Ax square plus by square plus c over n square p square plus l square x square plus m square plus y square plus 2lx plus my and plus minus 2ab, and that minus is minus 2a and b equals to 1. ए स्क्वायर बी का स्क्वायर करोगे तो ये ऑलरेडी ए प्लस बी की फॉर्म बनाता है, तो मैंने उसको ओपन कर दिया. ठीक है, मल्टीप्लाई बाय एन स्क्वायर एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी वाई स्क्वायर एन स्क्वायर प्लस सी पी स्क्वायर प्लस सी एल स्क्वायर एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस सी एम स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 2 एल एक्स एम वाई सी and minus 2 . PC Lx and minus 2 PCMy equal to n square. Okay, now taking x square is common, a n square plus c l square from this and this, plus y square b n square plus c m square from this and this, and 2 l m c x and y, and the leftover terms are minus 2cplx minus 2cpmy minus plus cp square minus n square equals to 0. The plane here, the plane is z equals to 0. If you are see this equation is a free from a z, so here I am taking z equals to 0. It means which is a perpendicular to the generator of the cylinder, and this is the equation, and this equation of the form a 2ab plus b square and we have these two equation, which one is a z equals to 0 and the second one is this. If this conic section is a projection of the given section with the plane z equals to 0, it means you have three cases, and the three cases are either discriminant equals to 0, less than 0, or a greater than 0. This is a totally depend on a discriminant, and the discriminant is a b square and 2ac. That means you have l m c x y whole square minus a n square minus c l square b n square plus c m square, which is 0, which is greater than 0, and which one is a less than 0. There are the three cases depend on this equation. It means you have l square m square c square, sorry, not a xy, minus a n square b n square minus a n square c m square minus minus plus c l square b n square minus minus plus c l square c m square, which is equals to 0, which is greater than 0, and which is less than 0. So you have three cases to determine the nature of the section of the central conicoid. Ax square by square by the plane Lx plus My plus Nz equals to P, and here you have three cases. First one is that BCl square CAM square BABN square is equals to 0, is greater than 0, is equals to 0 then parabola, greater than 0 then ellipse, and less than 0 then hyperbola. तब इसका क्या केस कंसिडर होगा, हाइपरबोला का. इट मीन्स दिस इज डिपेंड ऑन दिस फॉर्म्स हेयर ए बी सी आर द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ वाई स्क्वायर एंड कोफिशिएंट ऑफ जेड स्क्वायर, and lmn are the coefficient of x, coefficient of y, coefficient of z, and p be the constant. Here lx plus my plus nz equals to a sum p. ओके, कॉनिक सेक्शन के अकॉर्डिंग अगर आपको चेक करना हो कि गिवन इक्वेशन आपके पास पैराबोला फॉर्म करता है, एलिप्स फॉर्म करता है या हाइपरबोला, यू मे सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यूज ऑफ एक्स वाई ए बी सी एंड एल एम एन. Substitute here and check the values which are equals to 0, greater than 0, or are less than 0. If equals to 0 then parabola, greater than 0 then ellipse, and less than 0 then hyperbola. Okay. ओके, इसके क्वेश्चन हम कल करेंगे। आप फिलहाल ये आर्टिकल अच्छे से करना जिस पर आपके क्वेश्चंस भेज रहा हूँ। फिर भी आर्टिकल में कोई डाउट हो तो पूछना।